Hi folks, have you ever brought in a pack or project from the Unreal Engine Marketplace only to open it in your own project and find a bunch of missing materials? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix missing material issues step by step. Let's dive in. Alright, as you can see, this bakery shop project, which has recently been free on Fab, caught my attention, and I thought it would be perfect for creating a simple POV animation. So I went ahead and downloaded it. Now, like many of us do when using assets from another project, I simply copied the content folder of the bakery shop project and pasted it into the location of my Unreal Engine project. But as you'll soon see, that is when the missing material issues started showing up. Now that we've copied the content to our Unreal Engine projects, let's head over to the content browser and bring those assets into the scene. Interestingly, while the thumbnails appear perfectly fine in the content browser, as soon as we drag the assets into the scene, we notice a problem. They're just meshes with no materials applied. Even when checking the materials assigned to the meshes, the issue still persists. So let's dive into resolving this. The first step to address this issue is to locate the mesh in the content browser. Select one of the meshes in your scene and press Ctrl B on your keyboard to highlight it in the content browser. Once located, right-click on the mesh and select Show in Explorer. This will open the folder containing the mesh in your File Explorer, and then you need to close your Unreal Engine project. Next, create a new text document in this folder and rename it to whatever you prefer. Drag one of the assets from this folder into the text document you've just created and search for the word game. You will notice that the word game appears in several lines, and the critical part here is the name that comes after the word game. In this case, the name after game is Modular Bakery Shop. This is the root folder where all the related subfolders such as meshes, maps, and materials need to be housed. Make sure that your folder structure in the content browser reflects this naming convention. Having the correct folder structure is essential to resolving the missing materials issue. Now, as you can see, I've copied the Modular Bakery Shop name from the text document. Now, I will head back to the content folder of my project and create a new folder with that exact name. Then I will move all the subfolders from the bakery assets like meshes, maps, and others into this newly created folder. Once that's done, let's reopen the project and check if the issue is resolved. Now, this issue happens because Unreal Engine relies on the folder structure and naming convention for material references. If the folders don't match the path defined in the asset metadata, Unreal Engine won't be able to locate the materials, and the assets will appear as if they have no materials applied, or in some cases, the materials might appear completely black. And there you have it. By fixing the folder structure and ensuring the naming matches, we've successfully resolved the missing materials issue. I hope this video helps you tackle similar challenges in your Unreal Engine projects. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.